Hello, for today's artwork, we will be using oil pastel and fire through the means of a candle. Before we start, make sure to have necessary preparations as we will be handling fire. Make sure to have water source near you, flammable items in a distance, and a responsible adult around you. If you are that responsible adult, congratulations, you can do it solo. I will not be drawing the background in this video, but I did publish it as a YouTube short, so you can check it out. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now we will start with the oil pastels and move from the plumage. I'm hoping to trust the process in this stage. I'm just trying to match the colors together and see if they work. It's all an experimental process. I don't have the exact shade and I can't mix the color together to extract the color I want. So I'm just doing whatever feels right at this moment. This is straying further and further away from the reference picture, but it's fine. We're building up to something. The background has a lot of green, so let's see if the green helps with something. Probably not too much green. Let's see if drawing some highlight changes anything. I think it's looking good. Let's add some highlight at the top. And then we will move on to the upper section of the bird. Let's also add some black in the middle somewhere. And then after doing some rough editing, we'll see what colors it needs. This is turning into a very colorful bird. Let's add some light blue to lighten the atmosphere. Not sure how good it's going, but it's going. Let me just draw the eye first and then I'll start drawing around it. That's enough. Good. We'll probably have to draw the eye again. This is like bird reimagined. That's good enough. I'll draw the eye and the surroundings in a black pen later on. Now for the legs. That should be easy enough. It only needs 2 colors. Yeah. That's a very thick leg. Birds do not need that thick leg. Anyway, moving on. Let's just say this is a new formed bird. Let's take this as a new species. Or maybe it's the camera angle. Now for its claw-like feet. That's good enough. There's a joint here, some lines here, joint here, lines here. It's like wearing the world's most expensive leggings for birds. Good enough. Now for the eyes. Is the pen not enough? I do have acrylic marker. Let me see how that works. There. And now the surrounding to make this pop out as an eye. Some details, just do what feels right. It feels like it's wearing glasses and a cap. A very intellectual bird. This feels like a bird with a backstory. Take this as a prehistoric bird before evolution. I'll just clean up around the edges a bit, as much as I can. It is a very charming bird. By the way, if you're working with one material, don't be afraid to use another material if it helps. Use everything in your resource. I forgot to shake it before using it. Let's give the illusion of plumage. Individual plumage, that is. See, it's coming on together wonderfully. We just needed an outline. I'm checking my reference picture to see the lines of the feathers. So far, so good. I hope. Let me do this part with white acrylic marker. Black and white are very good for highlights. Checking the reference again. It's inking. Let's extend this a bit. Is it giving the illusion of individual feathers? I hope so. Let's do a bit more highlight. Oh, I got ink over me. Let's do some highlight here, a bit here, and let's make this area a bit more white, and this. It's looking good. As good a mess of colors can be, that is. Let's add some plumage here. Let's turn this around so I can drag the plumage downwards. This is like manually inverting the canvas. Yep, this way. A bit inside. It's going this way, this also this way, a bit out over here, like lashes. And this way. Let's get a bit more highlights to assimilate the whole thing. A bit more lighter at the front because the back is in shadows. I should do this with gray. I'll do this part with gray. I have to light this again. I'll be back. Just darkening these highlights and trying to merge it. Over here and here. A bit in this direction. Down here. And that is it, I think. Let's do some curvatures over here. Not white. Let me choose. This one will work fantastically. Just need to be a bit light-handed as opposed to heavy-handed. It's not working. Let me just use black. A bit U-shaped outside connectors. Rounding. Density, plumage. Check the reference. Goes like this. This one goes downwards. That's good. Some and that's good. Yeah, it's good. It looks good. Now my favorite part in the whole thing, the tape removal ceremony. Is it a real ceremony? No. Do I like calling it that? Yes. Does it give a feel of ceremony? Yes. And this is the whole image.